Hello to all my good friends. I hope you feel very well. How much I miss you. I came back with another education clip, and I hope that we can further our 3D design progress with this education clip. I hope you stay with me until the end of the video, and be sure to like, subscribe channel, leave me a comment, support me to that we can make very good progress together. Let's go for the design of this beautiful ring, okay? So for the first part we need a ring rail 55, it's good, and go to the gem, and we need a big diamond, I think 650, yes, 650, I think it's really good. Okay, selected these, and in the place is too high or too low, we can fix it later in the next episode. Okay, so look at this. I think we can fix it later in the next episode. Now we have to go to gem profile curves, and with this command, okay, you can get the round line of any stone gems, which is very practical, and you can use it very well for the next steps. So okay, to determine the space around the gem, we need to use a very small offset and then move on to the next step. Okay, so I think this offset is really good. Okay, now I think we need this square or rectangle, and the size of the gem, around the gem, that we can build according to the shape we want. And I think here, and yes, here it's good. Yes, here is useful. After that, go to the art direction, this end and this end, and yes, I think it's really good. So look at this, guys, look at this. Okay, go to the rotate and rotate this arc, and Ctrl C, Ctrl Z, and again Ctrl V. Yes, select it all and go to the trim and trim the extra part, or remove the extra part. Okay, and Ctrl J or join. Look at this. Okay guys, I think we need offset curve, and we can round the corners a little before we go offset, before we produce a new line to get better shape. Okay, so look at this. I think we need we need to go to the curve again and use fillet corners. Okay, and point 1 is really good. Okay, and yes, we need another offset to 1, and look at, guys, always use this command for lines that make up important parts of our body. Rebuild. Okay, rebuild is really useful and really important. And go to the surface after that, and solid yes, both side it's no, extrude, and I think 1 or 1.2 it's really good. Okay, and select it all and go higher. Yes, I think here it's really good. Okay, now okay, so guys, before we go lay gems or stones on the surface, let's go build a special place for our main stone or main gem. Okay, yes, so we go to the setting and use head builder. Okay, head builder, it's really important. So gem, selected the gem, and look at this guys, look at this. Now we need yes, choose a prong or choose a head for this diamond, and I think yes, this is really good heart. Yes, I love it. So again, for head I think it's really good. Okay, now the base, go to the measure and use the best measure for this big diamond. Okay, so guys, carefully pay attention to the dimensions and size measure that I choose. Okay, of course, now that each stone, gem, and any diamond can have a different sizes due to its large, smaller size. Okay, so carefully pay attention, please. Okay, look at everything that's happening. Okay, comment on any question you have and talk to each other so that we can make better progress. Okay, so guys, now we take our diamond a little bit higher so that we can cut and continue the design process. Okay, and yes, look at the shape, we have connection. Yes, we also designed a very nice page, and we can go along the way and enjoy the design. So after this cut, okay, go to the Boolean and Boolean Difference, and after that, look at this guys, look at this. Okay, it's done. Okay, and now we need yes, gem on curve, and here a 4 down an object and select to the surface or poly surface, and I think 1.8 it's good, and the space between I think 50 is good. Now Okay, look at this, guys. Look at this. A little. Yes, I think. No, it's not really good. Here, no. I think it's better than, okay? And now we need to ungroup this and this and this and this gem and select it all and Control F2, yes, for the mirror, and again go to the ungroup and these gems, and again Control F1 and selected all gems except big diamond and Control Q. Okay, and go again to the prong and look at this size. Okay, look at this, 65 or 75. I think 75 is better than. Okay, and for higher I think 8 is good, 0.8. and look at this space between prong, yes, 64, and go to the 40 or 65 or 35, sorry guys, and yes, it's good. Okay, go to the perspective and look at this, guys. Sorry. Okay, we need to go to the gem cutter and select the diamonds, and yes, everything is good. After selected the gem cutter, go to the Boolean Difference and select the prime poly surface. After that, cutters, and I think it's done. Yes, it's done. Look at this. Look at this, guys. I love it. So the first way, we use a line, okay, and the sub1 command to be able to get the shape we want. Okay, and so go to the sub1 and select this curve and this curve, and look at this, guys. Okay, look at this. Now yes, we go to the surface and use offset surface, and okay, both sides no, and solid yes, and I think yes, 0.8 is good. Look at this. Okay, now for the second command, we can reach our desired shape by using two lines. Okay, yes, at the top and at the bottom using the Loft command. Okay, so go to the curve and yes, duplicate edge and selected this both curves and go to the surface and use Loft. Now look at this. Okay, it's the second. Okay, now here for the third part, we can reach our desired shape by copying the original. Yes, look at this, copying the original line under our stone, using the hand, using one line and the order of leaves. Okay, so again use the arc direction, this quad and this quad, and go to the gain surface and use sweep 2. This curve and this line Okay, look at this, guys. Now, okay, I think I have to use this line for changing the shape. Now, okay, Control Z again, and this curve control points, and yes, I think here is good. And again, go to the surface and yeah, offset surface. Now it's better than, yes, I think it's better than. And go to the cut this part of this shape, and okay, look at this, guys. Okay, guys, now we need a shape, okay, a very nice shape that we can empty with the help of that part under the gem and make a very attractive shape. So I'll talk less where I need to, and you see what I'm doing, okay? Okay, guys, I think almost is done, and to make sure that these shapes are placed on the right page, make sure to use this command, okay, project to C plan, and yes, and go to the surface and extrude both sides, yes, solid, yes, and again go to the perspective and use Boolean Difference, and look at this, guys, it's done. Okay, okay, guys, go to the curve and use Interp Curve with attention, and using the Interp Curve command we are going to pull the ring arm, okay, and look at this, okay, look at this, turn on and select this point, it's done. Okay, again go to the control point and use control points for make a better shape. Yes, it's good, and yes, I think it's really good, okay, it's a good shape, it's a beautiful curve, okay. Now control F1 and selected both, and control J and go to the another part. Okay guys, to have a better connection I take this curve one bit inside so that I feel comfortable about having more connection, and go to the trim and trim this extra part, and again go to the project C plan and yes, okay, go to the green layer and okay, we need to surface I think, and look at this. Yes, go to the surface and use extrude, straight, solid, yes, profile, yes, and I think number 2 or 3 it's good, okay. So now guys, we first pick the stone gem on the finger arm and then cut it more finely, okay. Now go to the gem on curve, okay, and use gem on curve for this arm, okay, the space between, okay, object first, and 2.4 is really good, and space between I think 0.50 is good, yes, 0.15 is good. And look at this, I think 4 gems it's really good, okay. After that we need prongs, and or before prongs we can cut the arm, okay. So go to the curve and use a single line, this point and this point, I think it's really good. Control F1 for mirror, and again go to the perspective and use extrude and straight, both sides yes, and again go to the Boolean and Boolean split, this part and this parts, yes, it's done, okay. Remove the extra part and this surfaces, yes, it's almost done, okay. Look at this guys, it's really beautiful. Okay, now go to the prongs and use prongs for these gems. I think 75 it's not good and 85 it's better, and no, it's so small. Again go to the prong and yes, for the higher I think 9.9 is better, yes, 0.9 is better, okay. So now we need to remove the bottom of the ring so that we can have a way to do, okay. This if we want to change the size, so we remove the lower part of the finger and go into the arm, fix the ring together, okay. Now delete the extra part and look at this guys, it's the green layer, and yes, it's really good. Go to the solid and use shell, okay. And for all of parts, this part and up and down, yes, it's really good. Look at this guys, okay. Now we need to cut the gem and go to gem cutter and okay, it's good. Go to the Boolean Difference and this part and prongs and cut, and it's done. Okay, look at this. Okay guys, go to the fillet and fillet this edge and this edge and point to, I think is really good. And for this part and this part, again use fillet, and the bottom of the arm, this part, this and this. Now, okay, so now we have to fill in the ring arm of the minister's ring that has been petrified and make a nice grid shape. Okay, so go to the curve and duplicate edge. Look at this, select it all, and after that Ctrl J or join, blue layer, and we need again to ring rail. Okay, ring rail 55, and go to the solid and extrude straight, both sides yes, solid no, selected the curve and trim. Okay, it's okay. Now for make a shape, for this part go to the curve, create UV curve. Okay, okay guys, so we did this together several times and we made this inner part of the finger together a nice shape and put it in this part. So because I've done it several times, I'm not going to do it again, so the video doesn't take too long. After I've designed this part under and inside the ring arm, I'll come back to your service. So guys, I've decided again that I'm not going to cut this part again for those people who might be watching this video for the first time and see what I'm doing, so you can do it. Okay, okay, after it's done, okay, remove the extra part and select it all, and look at this guys, go to the curve and apply UV curve. Okay, go to the trim and select the polygon or select it all, oops, okay, undo and again, okay, it's almost done. Yes, go to this layer and we need offset surface and flip all. Okay, and 0.6, I think it's good. Now it's done. Okay, okay guys, we also do the same for the ring arm. Let's see how I do these things together. Okay, duplicate edge, after that selected a single line and this point to this point. Okay, again, and selected all, Ctrl J or join, and use the ring rail, extrude and straight, both sides yes, and selected the curves and trim the surface. It's done. Okay, after that again use the create UV curve, and after that make a shape and again use apply UV curve and offset surface and it's done. Okay, well guys, I finished this part too and I think we are done and we don't have anything to do. I hope you enjoy this video again and I hope you will see and use it, and if you know anyone who like to learn design jewelry design, please send them these videos. Okay, like guys, support me by liking me. I can be seen more inside the YouTube Explorer, so I want you to help. You like, leave a comment and stay in touch with each other. Thank you for seeing this video again. I leave it to God and to your next goodbye videos.